Good morning, 8th grade scholars. Today we're going to be working on some graph practice. So this is what your worksheet should look like for Tuesday morning. I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers to 1 and 2 so that it helps you figure out the rest of the worksheet. So a blank graph is made of connected lines or curves. That's a continuous, which means it keeps going. The second one says a blank graph that is made of only distinct points. When it says distinct, that kind of gives me the clue. That one is actually a discrete function. So continuous means it keeps going. Discrete means it's made up of points. Pretty easy to tell the difference. So as we move down, we want to choose the graph that best represents each situation. So number 3 says a person alternates between walking and running. So when you're running, your pace is pretty fast, right? So you're going up at a fast pace, at a constant motion, and then you're walking, so you're slowing down, and then you're speeding back up, and then you're slowing back down. So number 1 would go ahead and be graph B. Walking/running. The alternating, that would be graph B. Then we say a person who gradually speeds up to a constant running pace. So that's someone who's starting at a walk, and they're increasing, and then they start at that constant pace. So that's going to be graph A. 2 is gradually speeds up. To a run. That would be graph A. And number 3 is graph letter C. A person walks, gradually speeds up, and then slows back down. So as you can see, they're getting faster and faster and faster, and then they're getting slower as they walk. A really important thing to notice is your X and Y axes. So number 3 is graph C. Runs, then walks. Pardon me. Okay, so the other thing that I want to point out before I let you all go is go ahead and look at graph A. My y-axis is always going to be my dependent variable. My y-axis is my dependent variable. It's also my output. In this instance, for all 3 of these graphs, it is speed. Then I go ahead and look at my x-axis. My x-axis is the same among the 3 graphs as well. My x-axis is my independent variable or my input. And this is time. Good. Go ahead and try the rest of the worksheet on your own.